Hi, I'm Dr. Nikita Menon. I've come all the way from Kochi, Kerala to Rich Smile Design. I have my special interest, I'm a general dentist and I have my special interest in dental implantology and also smile designing. I have been doing this from last 13-14 years in Kochi, but getting into digital dentistry is of late, through which I decided to enroll for this course and learn how they are planning digitally to get the same results and a more predictable results what we plan, and the same thing can be executed. The whole course was really very informative, gave a lot of insights on different topics of how things can be better planned and how it can be executed the way it is planned. That is what was required. Regarding digital dentistry, obviously a lot of things came up, and I would like to thank Dr. Mithun especially, the topics that he has taken and the way he has taken. It has been really very helpful. The small clinical tips, they were really very useful. I hope I'll take this forward, and looking forward to get associated with RSD for my future cases. Thank you so much.